Well, hello everybody, welcome back to Life Disney and Beyond. We're at Disneyland for a very special day. It is so special. I've been waiting for this for a long time.
Like 2 years?
The return of Main Street Electrical Parade, you guys, MSEP as we call it, is back.
Just for a limited run, just for about a month or so. So we're gonna check it out. We hear that there's some food that they brought back and added in celebration, and we don't know if there's any merch, but we're gonna check it out. Either way, we're gonna have some dinner, see the parade, enjoy ourselves. Spence is gonna be excited.
Look, I wore my shirt, my old AP MSEP
And I dusted off my old light up ears. They are literally so old and scratchy.
I'm so excited.
Are you ready to get Barocco down?
I am ready to get Barocco down. You guys ready to get Barocco down?
Let's go!
Let's go! All right, we're in, and if you look up, there's Mickey. If you look above Mickey, not a lot of people know this, there is a Main Street Electrical Parade window in honor of the best parade that ever hit this park. Yes, that's right. Really cool. Something to check out when you walk in. Looks like Disney Parks is going to live stream tonight. I got the big jib arm. All the cameras ready to go here at Town Square. At the Emporium, look, they've got the electrical parade set up for all the merch. Hey, look, Adam the Woo is buying merch. What are you buying, Adam?
I don't know. This is catching my eye. Look, it has date stamp 19.
Oh,
It's
I like
back.
that. I like that it's dark too.
Spoiler alert, this is my favorite of the parade floats, is Elliot right
Elliot's
here.
the best.
Yep, Elliot right there. Peach
I would
Dragon.
have to agree with that.
That's me.
There's a kid's shirt that's really cool. There's a really great hat this year. I kind of like that a lot. That might be something I have to buy. How much is this? $27.99. No, that's pretty cool. I don't like Velcro hats though, but really nice design. There's the shirt that they just came out with the 2019 on it. And the front's really cool because it's got a little Mickey right there. Here's a Minnie Mouse version, a tank top for the ladies. And then Main Street Electrical Parade on the back. And here's the annual pass holder shirt, you guys. Look at Elliot on there. I'm kind of thinking we might have to get that. And then on the back it says pass holder right there. I don't know. You might have me on this one, Disney.
Over here in the Plaza Inn, we have the Main Street Electrical Parade cake. Look at that, baby. Oh, that looks so good. I think it's like red velvet cake flavor.
Here at Coke Corner, they've got the Firefly hot dog back in honor of the Electrical Parade. Firefly chips and a chili mac bread bowl. But look at that thing, there it is. See the jalapenos on there. Fire!
All right, so over at Coke Corner, we have the chili bread bowl mac.
Ooh.
Wait, bread bowl chili mac. Bread bowl chili mac is back.
Whatever you say.
Whatever you say, partner.
Ooh, it smells good.
Oh yeah, doesn't it? Look at that
Two
cheesy
good things
goodness.
to blend together in a Mickey bread bowl.
Oh my god.
So rad.
Doesn't that look amazing?
And that's only the precursor to what? What?
To our desserts.
Got all the friends here. Look at it.
This is our buddies. We're gonna have our own little parade here.
Mr. Snail, yep. It's his move. He does a little spin.
Alright, and then the caterpillar with his light up little leggies.
Yeah, let's see his face.
Look at him.
He's very happy to be back.
If you were in a bad mood and you bought this treat, you couldn't be in a bad mood anymore.
No.
You think anyone's had a bad mood moment during the parade?
I have.
Have you?
Yes.
Wow.
I've been trying to get out and I got
It will
stuck.
be devoured.
Yeah.
It's cute, but I will eat you.
Yeah.
He's like, oh man.
Give me that way.
Okay, fine. We'll go over here. Back where I'm safe. Oh, we forgot this one.
And the logo.
Now this is new.
Yeah, Rice
Look how
Krispie.
cute that is.
Sprinkled up.
That is beautiful.
For your delight.
With a chocolate medallion.
I'm always down.
Gosh, it's glistening.
Always down with the
glistening
chocolate medallion.
chocolate medallion.
Amazing.
They brought this back for the Main Street Electrical Parade.
Now, should
So
they
you'll have this for
Do you like it?
Oh yeah, it's so good.
It's got the standard chili.
I didn't know they were going to bring back the MSEP treats. Wait, we don't know what flavor these cake pops are though, do we?
It's, you know.
This is chocolate. This is vanilla.
And then he's a marshmallow, right?
Vanilla. Well, it's marshmallow.
And then the macaron, the ladybug macaron looks to be
It's strawberry.
strawberry.
I believe it to be strawberry.
Only,
Shall we take a
only one
bite?
way to find out.
I wonder if he has jelly in the middle like the little ones used to. Let's check. Oh, yep, jelly. Oh.
That's his insides.
You know, jam, I jam.
You know,
Jam.
You know,
Jam.
all right.
That was really good. All right, let's take a bite of him. This is gonna make my tongue black. All right. That's good. I'm just afraid of having black teeth. Black. Here,
What do you guys try?
Try some ladybug. You don't want black teeth?
It's not my jam.
Oh,
Sorry.
it's about to be.
The Woo doesn't know.
You gotta woofy that treat.
See, the key is
Not to eat the black part.
Best to remove it.
Best remove it.
strawberry E.
Right?
Oh my gosh, that's good.
It's good.
Best remove it.
Holy cow, that's good.
Eat them.
So Charlie's saying and Adam's saying that
Very
that
Pop-Tarty.
very Pop-Tarty
Yeah.
in its form. Yeah. Enjoy. All right, what's next on this sugar train?
I think this might be chocolate. I'm not sure, but I think it's chocolate.
All right, because we're gonna keep it in the
Why did I
ladybug.
Why did I
Theme.
say that though? It was a chocolate. All right. Stop! Don't look at me. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it is chocolate. I was right.
All right.
Oh, delicious. Okay, so they
Yeah.
brought back the Main Street Electrical Parade Parfait. I think they had this when, what was it, 2 years ago when they did the run again? But I don't remember. So, in honor of not remembering, we're gonna just,
See what.
oh wait, I didn't get the bottom layer.
Oh boy.
You have to get every layer, it's
Gotta
basically
get the ultimate
didn't count.
bite. I will secure the logo.
It's a little jelly something down there.
Yeah. Okay.
There we go. Oh, good.
What's the dominant flavor?
Strawberry because of that sauce.
All right. Once
You can't
again,
tell
strawberry.
whatever flavor is, but
Strawberry is the flavor of the Main Street Electrical Parade.
pineapple. I think the yellow is pineapple. I don't know what the white stuff is though. I don't know. I think it's coconut maybe. No, I think it's coconut maybe.
All right.
It's good though.
Okay. I
Ate that medallion.
feel like
I'm gonna go for the medallion.
nice.
And the pineapple.
Oh yeah, that is literally the everything bite.
Is there any strawberry even on that?
Oh.
It's like it zinged it back to
That's not
life.
bad.
I didn't have this the last time, so I'm wondering if it's the caramel. Do you see I said that right? For all of you
Caramel?
that say caramel.
Caramel.
I say caramel.
It's like caramel too.
You do too?
Caramel. Caramel.
You say
Caramel.
caramel.
I honestly say both. I say both.
Just
Depends
depending
on
on-
what time of day it is.
Oh.
Okay, because I remember during Halloween time that we had this discussion. You were like, it's caramel.
Yeah, don't just
And
that
then Jay
A.
was like, oh yeah, caramel. And I was like,
Well, isn't that a candy bar, the caramello?
Thank you. Yes,
I said
caramello. Those are
caramello.
amazing.
Carmelo.
Why are you using
Caramel.
the caterpillar as a
I'm making her point.
I make it caramel.
Like a joke.
Yeah.
Everyone listen.
Like, there we go, there we
He's
go.
like, oh, what?
She does that. She did that on the live streams on What's Happening Wednesday. She used to use her hands a lot. Yeah.
Yeah.
It flies off the stick
It's
into
just
that
like
table.
shoots over there. Well,
If you dip an
goodbye.
apple in it, what do you call it? Caramel apple or
I say caramel apple.
caramel?
It's caramel.
True.
The debate continues.
Great debate.
Is it Pirates of the Caribbean or Pirates of the
Caribbean.
Caribbean?
I say Caribbean.
It's the same. Yeah, it's almost the same argument. Yeah.
Excuse me. I say Caribbean. Caribbean.
Definitely not correct.
I was
But I
really
don't-
off
Are
there.
we
But-
gonna eat this thing?
I
or
think
just
we
staring
are.
at it all
I
night?
think we're going to. All right.
Insides. Oh boy.
It is caramel.
Oh, there's.
Oh, it just got better. That's what I'm talking about.
Your eyes got big and your face turned red. I'm not sure what happened right there.
Things just
The
went.
whole. You're handing this to me?
No pizza.
Passing the torch?
Pass them around.
Should I go for the noggin?
Just go for it, because I couldn't do it. I didn't have the heart. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
It's so
my.
good though, right? That's
This is
amazing.
amazing.
What do you take guesses on that?
This
with
one will
the
be
head?
vanilla, I'm guessing.
Oh, I'm sure it's vanilla.
Yeah. All right.
That
You're gonna
would,
do the whole thing in one bite.
or just the shell.
Escargot.
Dude,
Escargot.
don't eat it like a snail. Eat it like the opposite of a snail. Just take
Oh
it down.
man.
All in one bite. Nothing left but the
The
skin.
one that's got the extender on it, of
You
course.
got this, man.
Just go for it. If it's vanilla, I don't
Put it
even
all the
want
way
it.
in.
You can
This
do
only
it.
happens. This event only happens once every month.
Every.
So let's do
Pressure I'm
this.
under now. All right.
One bite.
Do it.
Here we go.
Go for it.
All the way.
Oh my
Oh. Whoa!
did it.
Oh man, he's gonna have
careful.
sugar. Oh boy.
I was just kidding. You didn't have to really
Okay.
do it.
Okay. This is all that's left. It was a vanilla cake pop. What did it taste like?
It tasted like uncooked cake batter, like yellow cake.
You like vanilla
I do,
cake
but
pops.
It tasted like it was like the batter
You
itself.
wouldn't eat the whole thing. in
Maybe
one
that's what
bite.
happened. That was the mistake.
Peer pressure is what that was, you guys. You guys have no idea.
I just said
Pressure.
cake bops.
What does that even taste like?
That's gonna
Oh,
be
it's
Rice
just like a
Krispie
thing.
with
It's a Crispy
chocolate.
treat.
It's gonna be Rice
The
Krispie
whole
treat
thing,
with
dude.
chocolate.
The whole big one
Are you
bite.
gonna do it? Are you gonna do it?
Do it. Do it.
Oh, even the cast member just went by and said do it. This will take a few bites to get
See if
that
you can at least
down.
just get part of the logo.
Just
from
do
one of
a
the
whole-
ears.
I've already had one of the logos.
Or just eat an ear. What do you think?
It's just what I expected.
It's just what I expected.
It's just what I expected. Without all the little like pebbles on it.
The
It's
pebbles.
too much. It's like
Too many pebbles.
There's a frosting on there too.
I think it's a little too much. I think it just needs to
The
just be
sprinkle
base.
pebbles.
All right, a beautiful sunset is upon us as the lights start to come on here at Disneyland, and we are getting so close to the Main Street Electrical Parade. All right, Main Street is abuzz. Everybody's got their parade spot. We're gonna head on down to the train station and see if we can get a little kind of bird's eye overhead view. There's the media again. They got the teleprompter up. And look, it's our Disneyland ambassador. It's dark enough now that we can see Katie's Main Street Electrical Parade ears. Very exciting.
They're really, really old though. They're like from,
They're like a year old.
no, they're way longer than a year old.
Well, they're
For a while.
vintage then. And we got a good spot here overlooking right here at the train station.
I would've liked
Bird's
to-
eye.
I would have liked to have been either at the top of Main Street where Disney Parks Vlog is, or maybe, but this is like second choice. So
Yeah.
this works. Big Cheese is here.
Mickey's coming to survey the crowd, make sure everybody's ready to go for MSEP.
Look how happy he is.
Double M MSEP.
Oh my gosh, he's so happy.
Look how happy Pluto is. He's skipping. Everybody's coming through tonight. There he is. Look who's back.
Look at him. He's so sassy.
He is the man. He always hypes it up. Wouldn't be the same without him leading the parade. He's like the warm-up guy.
Like,
You guys ready for this?
Yes.
yes.
It's back. What are we here
Ready.
for? Here we go. Yeah. Yeah, that's my favorite character, Turkle the Turtle, right there.
Mine's both.
Meow, meow, meow.
Look at him.
Mr. Caterpillar, you were a very good treat today.
Like that.
Thanks. Top Hat Turtle.
Look at him, Beautiful carrot.
More at odds than they've ever been. Look at that. Smee! Look who's coming around the corner. It's our favorite dragon, Elliot!
Razzle dazzle.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? America. Oh, that was So good.
That just happened.
That just happened. It's back.
Just happened.
Yes.
I don't even know what year it is.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. 1970.
No, something.
Two.
Like, no, two?
2.
Are you sure?
I think so.
Something like
Would you
that.
bet your life on it?
All I know is I was here. My mom brought me here the opening year. Look at the mob leaving. That'll tell you how popular this was. All right, well that wraps it up. MSEP is back, not for long, but we wanted to really kind of kick it off with it. Oh, and the fireworks are
There's
going.
the fireworks. They're like, bye, Life Disney. I
Yeah.
hope you like this video.
Yeah, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. When you do, turn on your bell notifications.
Yep.
That way you know when we go live and when we upload.
Yep.
If you want to support Life Disney, you can become one of our Patreon leashas. We'll put all the information in the description box right there below.
Yeah, we will, and we'll see you next time on Life Disney and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.